You have big dreams. You want to start your six-figure online business, but you don't know where to start. You don't know what to do. Then in this video, I am sharing 5 essential skills that you need to reach your goals as soon as possible. Hi, I'm Chandni and I am an email marketer who has worked with 81 plus business owners, including 7 to 8 figure businesses who are also international clients. And I make videos like this to help my younger self reach my goals as soon as possible. So without wasting time, here are the 5 essential skills that you need. So first is communication skills. Out of all the 7-figure entrepreneurs I have studied, all of them have said that you need communication skills to better articulate what you are trying to say in simpler words possible to the other person. So what communication skill is, you want to translate your thoughts to the other person and make them understand what you're trying to say. That is the communication skill. And to think clearly, you need to write better. And there is a website called essay.app/guide by Jordan Peterson, where he is guiding you through how to write an essay. Now, this is not a school essay that you need to write, but in this website, you will understand how to write an essay, how to think clearly so you can communicate better. I hope this website will be helpful, and let me know in the comments how this website will turn out, because out of all the courses that I have taken for copywriting, it has summarized all of the main points that you need to understand to write better and to think better. Second skill that you need is learn how to get traffic, how to get leads on the call. You want to start your business, but you don't know how to get traffic, how to get people on call with you so you can sell them your service. You need to also understand if the leads need your services or not. So first of all, choose the business model that is in demand and can sustain in the long term, and then decide how you want your leads to come into your business. You can either do inbound marketing, you can do outreaches. I personally do outreaches, so I have more control on who I want to work with. You can do cold outreach on social media platforms where your prospects are most active. It can be Facebook groups if they are coaches. It can be Klaviyo Facebook group if you are talking about e-commerce brands. It can be Instagram, it can be LinkedIn. Anywhere your prospect you are more active, you need to be there. You need to present yourself as authentic and genuine, so the person who is actually booking call with you, they need to understand that you are a genuine person. Or you can just put out more content related to your personal life, related to educational content and the case studies or proof testimonials. And if you don't have testimonials, you can just tell people who you have learned your skills from. You can say, for example, me, I have learned copywriting from Marketer of the Year 2023, Alex Catoni. I have learned copywriting from Stephen Georgi. You can say credible sentences like these. So whenever someone will land on your profile, they will think that you are a genuine person who actually know your stuff. That is important. And then they will get on call with you. So understand what platform you want to use to do the outreaches or inbound marketing, and then you will start to have more traffic into your business. Third skill that you need is selling. Out of all the 8-figure entrepreneurs that I have studied, most of them are really good at selling their services. They are either good at building their service or good at selling. But most of them will be good at selling, because without selling, you cannot take the money. So you need to be good at selling. We are doing selling every day. Even if it is going outside, you need to sell to your mom that, hey, I need to go outside, and you give them reasons, you handle their objections. It is also selling, but the transaction is not monetized. It is more like convincing them. It can be bargaining on a shop that you want to get this item for cheaper price. Like, you are selling every day, is just this time it is monetized and the money is involved. So selling is a really important skill to run any business in the world. And there is one great book which is written by an FBI agent. He is really good at teaching you how to negotiate. And the book name is called Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss. And I recently closed a $1,500 client. Let me know in the comments if you want live breakdown of that sales call to understand how you can also sell your product or service while also handling the objections. And the fourth skill set that you need to sustain your business or even grow your business, because if your business is not growing, then your business is dying. You need to upskill yourself, consistently learning the concept from your industry so you can be in trend, you know relevant information in your market, and come off as trustworthy person when it comes to delivering your services to client, your products to client. If you are a person like me who is not surrounded by 7-figure entrepreneurs, 8-figure entrepreneurs, what you can do is get into a community of people who are actually earning this amount. Go into that community and watch their interviews, watch their Q&As, their courses, to get into their mindset, their behavior and their habits, to understand what they are actually doing to get to the 7-figure, 8-figure businesses, how they take action so fast, how they are really good at what they do, their core skill set and everything. You can mold yourself into that person to get to that level. So search on YouTube how to learn particular skills, what is trending inside that industry right now, what you can offer to your clients that can actually increase their revenue, because at the end of the day everyone is trying to increase the revenue. So you need to keep upskilling yourself. Your competitor is you, but you also need to understand that there are other marketers, other service providers, other product sellers who are innovating new things. So keep yourself educated about the industry so you can be trustworthy, reliant, and give your customers the good service that they crave for. And sometimes when you are starting, there is this rabbit hole loop that everyone, like almost every beginner goes into. They are like, I want to learn this skill, let me learn this skill first, then I will go ahead and get the client or get the customers. I would say learn the skill enough, the whole process, so you are familiar with the whole skill, and then deliver that service while learning and implementing at the same time. That way you are not getting behind thinking that you want to learn, someday you will get client, because that is not going to happen. If you are in the constant learning loop, you're not going to take action, because you need to get into the habit of implementing what you are learning at the same time. Because what is the use of the knowledge that you are getting if you are not implementing that? And the fifth skill that is really rare to find these days is work ethic. Now, I can relate to this one because I used to struggle with work ethic a lot earlier, and I still struggle with it, and I'm trying to manage how to be more how to do more boring stuff so I can be really good at what I do. So for building work ethic, what you need to do is, first, you need to believe in yourself that you can do it. Second, you want your goal bad enough, so you put in the work. That is really, really important. You need to keep reminding yourself the goal that you want to achieve, and you should want the goal bad enough, so you put in a lot of work, a lot of energy into it, so you can achieve your goals, and that will keep you motivated. Plus, with the mini wins, you can celebrate, give yourself rewards. So reward yourself by partying or whatever you like, Netflix and chilling. So you need to build the habit to deliver the work that you promised yourself and your clients, your customers. If you are reliable to yourself, people will be more than happy to rely on you. And this is the bonus skill that I want to add. If you want to scale your business, grow your business, it is very difficult to do it alone. So you need to build leadership skill as well to keep your company at the same pace to achieve your goal as soon as possible. Because without these skills, I have suffered multiple times to not able to hit my goal within that month, and I have wasted a lot of time just because I did not have that skill. And I do not want you to struggle because you do not have the leadership skill right now, or probably you have the skill already. You probably have managed a team in your college, in your school, so you understand how to lead the team. But for me, I did not know how to do that because I was quite a nerd in my school and I did not participate much in the curricular activities. So yeah, that's why leadership skill is really important in life as well. With the leadership skill, what you want to do is you want to inspire everyone in your team to go in one direction to reach the goal that you want and get them as excited as you are. If you watched till the end, let me know in the comments what else you want to hear from me. If you also want live sales call breakdown to understand how I sold my $1,500 service to an international client, or if you have any other video ideas, let me know. I will be more than happy to make them for you. Till then, you can watch my other videos to understand how to learn these skills and how to reach your goal.